Hey guys, welcome to Rennie's Zone Tube. This is my first video, so kindly subscribe and support my channel. Today we are going to see the unboxing and review of Acer V6 series. I bought this Acer V6 series monitor from Amazon. Now let's see some details of this monitor. Its MRP is 9,000 but I bought it for 5,000 in Amazon. Now let's see the specifications of the monitor. Model number is V206hql. Resolution is 1366 x 768 max. Panel type is TN panel. Response time is 5 milliseconds. Color is black. Input type is D-sub and HDMI. It has inbuilt speakers. Display size is 19.5 with around 20 inch. And LED blacklight. Now let's see what's inside. This is the power cord. This is the user guide. Aux cable 3.5 mm and cable lock clip. This is the standard VGA cable. Now let's take the monitor. This is the base and base unit of the monitor. Now let's see the monitor. This is the base. The quality is very good. This is the base clip. Now let's fix the base clip. Now let's see the monitor screen. This is the monitor. The build quality is really very good. This is the model number. And we have the brand name Acer. we have the on off button and other buttons. This is the back side of the monitor. This is the power input port, HDMI port, VGA port, aux cable input. And here we have the speakers, and we also have the brand name at the back of the monitor. Now let's assemble the monitor. First, we'll fix the base. And now, then we'll insert this inside the space which we have here. Now we are almost done with the fixing of the monitor. Now we'll connect and see the HDMI with the TV box. Let's power on the monitor. The monitor is working very good. The picture quality of this monitor is really good. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and smash up the subscribe button and click the bell icon. See you guys in my next video. Bye guys.